Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade on FxPro. So first of all, you need to come here on fxpro.com. Over here, if you don't have an account on here yet, you can just simply click on the option of register, provide some of your details, and then you can basically get access to your dashboard. Now, when you are inside your dashboard, you can either go with your real account or you can also trade with a demo account. So here you can create a demo account by selecting this option. You need to provide the initial balance over here and then select the option of create demo account. Now when your account is created successfully, you just have to select the option of trade and then simply press continue. Now on the next page, you are going to see this type of trading space in front of you where you can basically select that particular pair in which you want to trade. So these are some of the favorite pairs available as default, but you can select the option of plus icon and you can select your favorite currency over here. So after selecting it, you just have to simply just place the order by selecting the buy and the sell option, and all of your positions will be shown over here inside the positions section. So this way you will be able to easily trade on FxPro. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.